Now, tell time to minute. Remember that we learned in second grade how do we tell the time. Remember the difference. Time can be represented on a digital clock. We are on page 659. This is a digital clock and this is an analog clock. The digital clock shows the time in numbers, and then the analog, remember, it has a short hand and it has a long hand. The long hand tells the minutes and the short hand tells the hour. Remember that from second grade? Now, I need you to please pay attention to this part, okay? Now, the clock shows time. Start reading in your book. Hi, Mario. The clock shows the time Erika got home from dance class. What time is it? Find the hour. Now, remember, the shorthand tells me the hour and the longhand tells me the minutes. Now, the shorthand is in the hour hand. It has passed 5, but it has not reached 6. So the hour is, what is the hour? The hour is 5. Daniel, please stop playing, Daniel. Okay, so it is 5. It is 5. So write 5 on number 1. It's not 6. It is close to 6, but it's not 6 yet. Daniel, did you write already the number 5? You need to write. Mario, are you okay? Rafa? Okay, now write number 5. Write number 5 on the first line. Okay, it's not 6 yet, so it's still 5. The hour is 5, okay? Okay, it's 5. Now, remember, the long hand tells me the minute. So do you remember what does each number represent? I will tell you again in case that you forgot. Number 1, it means that 5 minutes have passed. Aquí lo tenemos, miren, 5 minutes have passed. 2 is 10 minutes. 3 is 15 minutes. 4 is 20. 5 is 25. 6 is 30. 7 is 35. 8 is 40. Aquí lo tienen en su libro. 9 is 45. 10 is 50. 11 is 55, and 12 significa que ya han pasado 60 minutes. Do you remember that from second grade? Yes? Yes? Yes, Diego, we already saw that in second grade. Now, I want to show you guys something. Do you remember, no, well, on a analog, can you see the little lines in between each number? Can you see them? Cuéntenlas, Rafa. Please stop playing, Rafael. In between, can you see those little lines in between the numbers? Those are also minutes. So let me show you something. This little line is 1 minute. The other one, 2, 3, 4, y llegamos a 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, y llegamos a 10. So each little line in between the numbers is 1 minute, okay? So let's look at this time. The longer hand, as I've already said, tells me the minute hands. So we skip count by 5s to see where is the long hand. In second grade, we learn only skip counting by 5s, but in this part, where is the little line? If we keep on counting, we say 45. Remember that each little line is 1 minute, so we say 46, 47. So write here 47. You need to write here 47. So what time is it? What time is it? It is 5:47. It is 5:47. So you need to write here 47. Miren, así. Tiene que ir así. Okay, it is 47. So there are 47 minutes past the hour. What time is it? It is 5:47. I repeat, the little lines in between the numbers are 1 minute. So we start counting. We already know that 9 is 45, so we're still counting 46 and 47. Okay, did you write this on your notebook? Okay, so it is 5:47. It's 5:47. Okay, do you understand? It is 5:47. Okay, now let's keep on. So Erika finished dance class at 5:47. Okay, remember, the shorthand tells me the hours and the longhand tells me the minutes. Okay, now turn your page, please. Okay, we're gonna start with sample number 2. Okay, please be ready. Jake's soccer practice ended. What time is it? Look at the digital clock. The digital clock tells me that his class ended at 12:15. The digits before the column shows the hour. This first number tells me the hour, and the second number tells me the minute. A colon before you ask are these two little dots. Eso se llama colon, okay? Now, so what time is it? It's 12:15 or 15 minutes past 12. So what is the answer? 12:15. So on the first line, write 12:15. Okay, write 12:15 on the first line. What time is it? It's 12:15. Okay, now we're going to start with guided practice and we're going to do it together. Now, circle the correct time shown on each digital or analog clock. Remember, this is an analog clock and this is a digital clock, sorry, and these two are analog clocks, sorry. Now, what time is it on clock number 1? It is 15 minutes before 5 or it's 5:15? The answer is 5:15. So circle 5:15. Circle 5:15. It is 5:15, okay? Can you please wait? I have to fix something. Please wait a little bit. There, now I can see it. Now, we were on number 1, so you have to circle 5:15, okay? Circle 5:15. Okay, now let's see what time is it on clock number 2. Now, the shorthand, as I repeat, tells me the hour. The longhand tells me the minutes. So the shorthand is telling me that it's 12 or 1. It's 12 still. It's not 1. It's 12 still. And the longhand, what does this number 4 mean? Number 4 means that there is 20 minutes. 20 minutes have passed. Sorry. Sorry about my numbers. I will erase it. Okay? I will erase it. Now, so here means 20 minutes have passed. So what time is it? Is it 12:20 or 1:20? It is 12:20. Okay? Here is 5:15. It is 12:20. This is almost like a review because we already saw this in 2nd grade, okay? So in case you forgot, I am explaining it again. Okay? Now, number 3, the longhand, this is the shorthand, is over the number 2. So it's 2. It's 2. And the longhand tells me the minutes. What time is it on number, how many minutes have passed on number 10? Someone knows the answer? Can you please raise your hand? If you know the answer, how many minutes have passed when the longhand is in number 10? Yes, Jair?
2 of 45.
No, I'm asking about the, nice try though.
Wait.
I'm asking, yes, Cecia?
50.
Yes, I'm asking the minutes. When the longhand is over the number 10, 50 minutes have passed, Diego. Are you paying attention, Dieguito? Yes, good job. So over the number 10, 50 minutes have passed. But the shorthand is near number 2. I'm sorry, I didn't explain you this. The shorthand is near number 2. It's not 2 yet. Do you remember? So it is 150, okay? The correct answer is 150. 150. Remember, we skip count by 5s. When the longhand is on the number 10, 50 minutes have passed. So it is 150, okay? Now, let's go to number 4. Angel, are you paying attention, Angel? Yes, good job. Good job, everyone. Okay. Where is Reese? I cannot see Reese. Okay. Now, let's do together number 4. Now, the shorthand is near number 10, so it's 10. But let's look at the longhand. Now, how many minutes have passed in this? 25. Okay. Now, how many minutes have passed on number 6? 30, okay? 30. Now, as I explained you guys, the little line, the very little lines in between these two numbers are 1 minute. So we start counting. 25, 26, 27, 28. So it is 10, 28. So circle the first one. It is 10:28. I repeat, the little hands in between the two numbers are 1 minute. So we start counting and we say 25, 26, 27, 28. So the answer is 10:28. Okay, you guys can count in your book because you can see it better than here in the screen. You can count in your book the little lines. Good job, Jair. Now, 3:44. This is easy because it's a digital clock and it's easier to read. So the answer is 3:44. The answer is 3:44. Okay, 3:44. 3:44. Okay, ready? Oh, there's Reese. Hi, Reese. Are you okay? Nice. Nice to see you, Reese. Okay. Angel has a question. Yes, Angel?
I can go to the bathroom.
Yes, you may go, Angel. Okay. Where's Angel? Okay, now please turn your page. Please turn your page. Okay, I only have 10 more minutes. Remember that if the meeting ends, you all have to connect again, okay? I have 10 more minutes. Now, turn your page, please. We're going to work on the next page, okay? Now, we're going to do this together, independent practice. Now, write the time shown on each digital or analog clock in numbers and words. Let's do number 6 together. Now, read Remember, the shorthand tells me the hour and the longhand tells me the minutes. So where is the shorthand? It's on the number 5, okay? So please write 5 in here. No, I think we have to write it in words first. Sorry. Okay, so write 5. It's 5 minutes, okay? So write 5. No, sorry. No. Please do not write that, sorry. Vamos a ver, la mía está confundida. 8, acá, okay. So this is the answer. And let me explain you why 8. We start counting, remember that here 5 minutes have passed and here 10 minutes have passed. So I repeat, the little lines in between the two numbers are 1 minute. So you start counting 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Are you counting the little lines? The long hand tells me that 8 minutes have passed after what hour? 5. The shorthand is pointing to the number 5. Sorry, I was confused, sorry. So what time is it? It is 5:08. 5:08. That is a proper way to read the time on a digital clock. 5:08. You say 5:10, 5:15, 5:20, 5:25. Okay? Now, ¿quién tiene prendido su micrófono? Wait, Diego. Please wait, Dieguito. ¿Alguien tiene prendido su micrófono? No. You were, Sergio. Ahí está. There. Okay, now I want to hear Diego. Diego, tell me your question. You had a question? Water. Yes, you may drink water. Okay, now let's do together number 7, okay? Let's do together number 7. Now, this is the shorthand and this is the longhand, remember. Now, so what time is it? It is 11. It's close to number 12. It is 11. How many minutes have passed on this number? 55, okay? So write 55. 55. Okay? So it's 11:55 on the first line. Angelito, please concentrate. It is 11:55. Number 7, it is 11:55. Okay? Now, let's write the time here. It's 11:55. Okay? First, we write the time in words, and then we need to write it in numbers, okay? It's 11:55, okay? Miren, ahí está la respuesta. It is 11:55, okay? Finish writing? Finish writing? Okay, we're ready. Now, let's do, thank you, Diego. Let's do number 8 together, okay? Now, number 8, let's read. Remember that first we have to write the time in words, and then we need to write it in numbers, okay? Now, let's look at the longhand. Where is the longhand? Remember that we start counting on number 8. Here it's 40 minutes. And I repeat, here is 45. The little lines in between are 1 minute. So we start counting 40, 41, 42, okay? 42 minutes have passed, but what is the shorthand telling me? That it's 2 or it's 3 already? Do you remember? It's near 3, it's not 3. 42 minutes have passed from what hour? From 2, okay? So it is 2:42. Miren, it's 2:42. It's 2:42. So write on the line, Sergio, write on the line 2:42. It's 2:42. Angel, did you write already the answer on number 8? It's 2:42. I repeat, the little lines in between the numbers count 1 minute. So we start counting 40, 41, 42. Okay, it's 2:42. Can you see that the shorthand is near 3? So it's 2 already. Todavía son las 2. 2:42. Now, the other one, it's very easy. This is a digital clock, okay? Now, what time is it? It's 6:57. So write the answer on number 9. It is 6:57. First, you need to write it in Word, and then you need to write it in numbers. It is 6:57. 6:57. It is 6:57. It is easier on the digital clock. It is 6:57. Okay, it is 6:57. Okay, now let's do together number 10. Now, draw a line to match each clock to the correct time. What time do you think it is on? Let me see, I will ask someone. Daniel, what time do you think it is on number 10? Can you please do? Can you please tell me the answer? What time is it on number 10? Tell me the answer. I will give you some time. Yes.
3:45.
3:45. Good job. So draw a line from this clock to 3:45. Good job. Great job. Okay. Vamos a ver number 11. Can you please help me, Rafa? What time is it on number 11, Rafa? Turn on your microphone so I can listen. Prenda su micrófono. Yes. What time do you think is in number 11?
7.
7. Good job. Now count the little lines. You can do it. Count the little lines. Remember, each of these little lines are 1 minute.
17.
Yes, yes. It is 7:17. Good job. Nice, nice. Now I want to hear Alejandro. What time do you think it's on number 12? On number 12.
4:02.
4:02. Yes. So draw a line from this clock to 4:02. Good job. 4:02. Now I want to hear Guillermo. What time do you think is on clock number 13, Guillermo?
8:53.
Yes, good job. 8:53. So draw a line.